Welcome to the channel. Today, we're making your travel smoother as we unpack the top 5 best carry-on luggage, perfect for efficient packing and stress-free airport navigation. I've meticulously reviewed these bags for their durability, maneuverability, smart features, and how well they meet airline regulations, ensuring you get the most out of your next adventure. For all the latest prices and detailed insights, check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our essential travel gear reviews. Let's roll into our number 5 pick. Number 5. Crossair Expandable Carry-On Luggage. Travel smarter with the Crossair 20-inch carry-on luggage, designed for maximum convenience without sacrificing capacity. This airline-approved suitcase fits comfortably in overhead compartments and includes space for a 16-inch laptop and an 11-inch iPad. Weighing just 6.16 pounds and expandable for added storage, it's the perfect balance of size and functionality. Built with high-quality accessories, it features ultra-durable spinner wheels designed for smooth rolling across any surface, whether it's a cobblestone street or airport carpet. The reinforced, explosion-proof zipper and TSA-approved combination lock ensure both safety and peace of mind. Inside, the thoughtfully designed interior includes cross straps for organization, a waterproof compartment for toiletries, and a zippered U-frame section for added privacy. Plus, a built-in USB port offers on-the-go charging convenience, power bank not included. Stylish, secure, and highly functional, the Crossair Carry-On is the perfect travel companion for business or leisure trips alike. Number 4. Travel Pro Expandable Carry-On Luggage. Upgrade your travel experience with the Travel Pro Carry-On, engineered for effortless mobility and smart organization. Featuring the patented Precision Glide system, this bag rolls smoothly with magnetic self-aligning 360 degrees dual spinner wheels, a 4-stop power scope handle, and a non-slip contour grip for stress-free maneuverability. Made with durable, high-density nylon and Duragard coating, it resists wear and tear, while the tapered 2-inch expansion adds packing space and reduces tipping. Stay powered with an external USB port and a dedicated power bank pocket, power bank not included. Inside, enjoy wrinkle-free packing with a drop-in suitor, plus an organized interior with tie-down straps, accessory pockets, and a TSA-compliant, removable wet pocket. Multiple carry handles add versatility. With dimensions designed to fit in most U.S. airline overhead bins, this 7.8 pounds carry-on keeps you moving efficiently. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and a trusted companion promise, it's built for the long haul. Number 3. Level 8 Grace Carry-On Luggage. Travel in style and confidence with the Grace Expandable Carry-On from the 6576 series, crafted for modern travelers who value functionality and design. With overall dimensions of 21.8 inches by 14.5 inches by 9.8 inches and a packing capacity expandable from 36 to 42 liters, it's perfect for short business trips or weekend getaways. Constructed from durable PC plus ABS materials with a unique 3-layer microdiamond textured surface, this luggage offers excellent scratch resistance and lightweight strength. The front laptop compartment, ideal for devices up to 15.6 inches, keeps your electronics secure and easily accessible, separate from clothing and other essentials. Enjoy effortless mobility with 8 rubber-covered 360-degree spinner wheels and an ergonomic aluminum telescoping handle. Whether you're navigating busy terminals or tight aisles, this carry-on glides smoothly and quietly. Compact, stylish, and expandable, the Grace 6576 series is designed to elevate your travel experience without compromising on performance or convenience. Number 2. Crossair Hardside Carry-On Luggage. Travel smarter with the Crossair Carry-On Luggage, expertly designed for the perfect balance of size, capacity, and durability. Measuring 14.1 inches by 9.3 inches by 21.5 inches and weighing just 7.04 pounds, this 20-inch carry-on fits in most airline overhead compartments and is fully expandable for extra packing room when needed. Built with a 100% PC hard shell, it offers exceptional impact resistance and anti-scratch durability, keeping your luggage looking sharp trip after trip. The high-quality accessories include ultra-quiet, wear-resistant spinner wheels, and a multi-stage ergonomic telescoping handle for effortless maneuvering on various terrains. Inside, a smooth lining allows close-fitting clothes to be stored safely. A waterproof compartment keeps toiletries secure, while cross straps and a U-frame zippered section ensure everything stays organized and private. A TSA-approved lock and explosion-proof zipper adds security and peace of mind. Crosser delivers both style and functionality, ideal for modern, efficient travel. Number 1. Swiss Gears Soft Side Expandable Luggage. Designed for effortless short-term travel, the Swiss Gears soft-sided expandable carry-on is your ideal companion for 1 to 3-day trips. Its ergonomic design and ample interior make navigating crowded airports and organizing your belongings easier than ever. Crafted from durable, scuff-resistant polyester, this carry-on features a fully lined interior with adjustable tie-down straps to keep garments neatly in place. Expandable storage offers added flexibility when you need it most. The top, side, and bottom handles allow for easy lifting, while 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels provide smooth maneuverability through tight spaces. Backed by Swiss Gears' trusted 10-year warranty and built with over 125 years of design excellence, this carry-on meets the highest standards of quality and reliability. Whether you're heading out for a quick business trip or a weekend getaway, trust a name that's often imitated but never equaled: Swiss Gear. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.